When worries pile up like heavy clouds, clarity feels distant and unreachable. Each worry a tangled vine in your mind's garden, choking out peace. To untangle worries, visualize your mind as a cluttered desk needing order. First, breathe deeply. Imagine each exhale clears a small space in the chaos. Choose one worry, like selecting a single book to shelve. Focus on this worry, seeing it clearly to understand its edges and contours. Break it down. What part can you handle today? What needs more time? Imagine each step as a small stone on a winding path through the forest. Over time, the desk clears. The vines pull away, revealing new growth. Remember, clarity doesn't demand perfection, just consistent, gentle effort. By repeating this process, big worries lose their overwhelming power. You are the calm gardener, transforming chaos into a tapestry of possibilities. In dismantling overwhelm, you've begun a never-ending journey toward inner peace.